If you come over to YouTube and click on this search bar, if you enter this particular search term, how to add money in your Facebook ads account 2024, and search, right here you see that my video is ranking number 1. You may ask, how was I able to rank this video as number 1 on YouTube? And there are other bigger channels who are ranking videos for this search term, and I was able to outrank them for this particular search term. That is what I will show you in this video, step by step. Do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important step. In ranking my videos as number 1 on YouTube search, these are the major factors that I consider. Keywords that have high search volume and low competition. That brings us to keywords research. There's a particular tool that I use for my keywords research, and this tool has been very effective. It is called vidIQ. vidIQ is available on your mobile phone as well as your laptop. This is the interface of vidIQ on PC, and on this left hand side you will see all the tools here. Right here you will see keywords tab. Click on keywords. It will take you to the keywords interface. This place that you see search keywords, this is where you will enter the search term that you want to rank for, and from that particular keywords you can get other matching term and related keywords that you can use to optimize your videos. Let me show you how to use it. You will enter a broad keyword like this. This one, for instance, is how to create African folk tales. I'm just using this for example. Maybe your own niche is about how to make money online. Then you will use a broad keyword around how to make money online in Nigeria. Maybe if you're residing in Nigeria, or how to make money online in the United States, or the broad keyword how to make money online. If you're into cooking, then can use cooking as a broad keyword. Or if you are into entertainment, whatever niche at all, use that broad keyword and you'll be able to search. When you enter this keyword like this, go ahead and click on the enter button to search. You will see the overview here, how to create African folk tales. And at this overview, you will see that the overall score is high, which is at 66%. This is 66 over 100, which is quite high. And you will see the search volume is also on the high side. The competition is low. Remember, I said the criteria that I use to rank these videos is going for keywords that have high search volume and low competition. So this one meets the criteria. The overall score now is above 50, which is 66, which is a good entry point. Okay, now this keyword has met the first criteria. Now let us go further and check for matching term. If you go to the top here, you are going to see matching terms right here. So let's see the keywords that match this particular broad keyword, how to create African folk tales. Right here, I will click on matching terms and let's see the matching terms. Okay, you can see right here, this particular keyword, how to create African folk tales, you can see it's very good. Now scroll down. This is what we want to optimize this video for, how to create African folk tales. So this one has high search volume and low competition. Now check other ones here. You see the related matching keywords here is how to create African folktale stories. This one also has high search volume and low competition. Rating at 59 over 100. This is also more than 50%. This one, how to create African folktale videos. This is also matching keywords, and you can see it has low competition and high search volume. It is rated at 59%. Now, if you scroll down, you see other ones here. How to create African folktales YouTube channel. This one also has high search volume and low competition. If you scroll further, you will see several other keywords here that are related. These are matching keywords. Look at the one that has high search volume and low competition, and you can use it to optimize for this particular keyword. Let's move to the next step. We are going to copy this particular search term we want to rank our video for. When you click on it, go ahead and select this search term. Then come below here and you see this copy button. Click on copy. What you will do next is go to YouTube, go to the search bar here, click on the search bar here and enter that search term, paste and click on search. When you enter that search term, scroll down and go to this right hand side. Now vidIQ has the pro version and the free version. If you are just starting, you can just use that free version and you also see this same feature. Install it on your laptop or download it on your mobile phone. Okay, you will see that this overall score is high, 66 over 100. You see the search volume here. This place that you see red, this one means it is poor. The search volume is poor. People are not searching for it. Then you see this one that shows orange color. it means people are searching, but the search is not that much. You see this one that shows yellow, then this one shows light green and the leaf green. Okay, so you see that this particular search volume is high and the competition is low, so it's a good entry point. If you scroll down, you will see the highest views as well as the average views, average subscribers that people are getting from these videos, and those that have added in the last 7 days for this video. You can see that the people who are doing video on this are not much. For the last 7 days, people who added video on this is just 1 out of 20. And if you search below here, you will see that the top creator for this search term is Learn with Lacey. These are the top channels for this search term. Learn with Lacey is the top channel. So if you're looking for tutorial videos on how to create African folk taste channels, then go to this channel, Learn with Lacey. This is the top channel that you can learn that. He has created step-by-step videos on how to learn that. You can see right here, this is the top channel for that. If you scroll down further, you see top related keyword opportunities that are right here for that search term. If you go down further, you will see show all 95 keywords. So these are related keywords. If you click on it, they also show you all the keywords. This is keyword inspector from vidIQ, and right here are all the related keywords. You can see that. The next step to validate this is to check the videos that are created with this search term and the size of those channels. So let's scroll down and see. This is the first one on this particular search term. Let's look at this video and let's see this channel size. So this is the video, and that search term is not paramount here. This one is talking about African stories, and that is not our major search term. Our major search term is how to create African folk taste. So you see that that search term did not appear in this title, okay? But they brought this suggestion because it's a related keyword. So we are in the right position. Let's look at the channel size. This is the channel, and the size, this person has 959 subscribers. So you will see that we have a great opportunity to rank higher on this search term. Let's scroll down further. Let's see the second video. Okay, this particular channel use the keyword how to create African folk taste. Now let's see how many views this channel is getting per hour for this particular search term. You can see this VPH, it means view per hour, and you will see from vidIQ this video is getting 18 views per hour. So it is actually a good search term to rank for. Now let us look at the channel size. This channel size is 42k subscribers, so it is not a threat. We can actually rank for that search term. Let's scroll further and let's see. Okay, this is the third video on this search term. Okay, and this particular channel, Learn with Lacey, created on how to create African folk taste stories. So this one added stories, but we are not adding stories in our own, which means we can actually rank for this keyword. This is the top channel that you can learn how to create African folk taste stories, how to create African folk taste channel, everything about African folk taste. Go to this channel, Learn with Lacey, and you will learn all about that step by step from scratch. If you scroll further, you will see more on African folk taste from this channel, Learn with Lacey. This is also his video. You can see all that. So it's a top channel for that search term. Now we have seen a perfect search term opportunity to rank our video for. This particular one is for those who are on African folk taste. Okay, for you to rank your video as #1 on YouTube search, you need to understand YouTube SEO. SEO simply means search engine optimization. After creating your video, the next thing is to upload your video on your channel. I have done a step-by-step tutorial video on how to upload your video on your YouTube channel. If you have not watched that video, the link to that video will be at the description of this video. After watching this very video, then go and watch that video on how to upload your video on YouTube. The first thing is title. For you to optimize your video, you are going to pay attention to the title, and the title you are going to use, you will ensure that the search term you want to rank for instance, this is the search keyword that I optimized for this particular video. In the example we use on vidIQ, we use how to create African folk taste. So you are going to select this how to create African folk taste. This search term must be in your title. So you will put that at the title here. Then you're going to add relevance, which is the year. Okay, so you can add 2024 because I'm creating this video in 2024, so you can add the year. If it is 2025, you add 2025. If it is 2026, add 2026. That will show the viewers that it is a recent video and it is relevant for them. Then you scroll down. The next thing here is video description. For the video description, don't just place the related tags or the matching keywords just like that. Use it to make a sentence. Let me explain to you. If you go over to vidIQ here, where we click on these matching terms here, If you click on matching terms, it will take you to all the matching keywords here that are related to that African folktales. Now, what you will do is to come further here, see all these matching terms that are having high search volume and low competition. You are going to select them. You can see them, select them, and come back to where you're uploading their videos. See the description. So you are going to make sentence with it. Are you looking for how to create African folktale stories? So you can see that first question. So it is addressing those who are searching for that result. So I can go further, say, in this video, I will show you how to create African folktales YouTube channel. You can see that I've used those matching keywords that are in this vidIQ to create my video description. When you make those sentences with it in this description, at the below of your description, you are going to use hashtags, and those hashtags can just be 3 or 4. The first hashtag should be the search term that you want to optimize that video for. Then also use another hashtag for your YouTube channel name. Then the next hashtag should come from your matching keyword here. Okay, that's how you write your video description. Then scroll down, you are going to see thumbnail. Upload your thumbnail here. Your thumbnail should be readable, it should be visible, it should not be clouded with too much text. Just use a proper thumbnail that people can easily read and understand. Okay, then if you scroll further, you are going to see tags. If you are getting value, then go ahead and like this video. Click on the like button below before I continue. Have we done that now? Alright, let's continue. This was the tags I used for this particular video. For your tags, vidIQ also suggests tags, and you will see the tags recommendation here. There's another tool which you can use to generate tags. It is called rapidtags.io/generator. Go to the search term you want to rank for, copy that particular keyword, and come over to rapidtags.io. Paste the tag in this search bar and click on this search button. If you scroll down, you will see that it has generated the tags that you can use for you. Simply go to this copy tags button, click on it, and the tags have been copied. Go back to your YouTube studio and paste the tags here. After that, you can add other things like end screen card and set the video to public, and you go ahead to publish your video. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss my next video as soon as I publish them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.